Pre-reading. Meet Danica. Danica Patrick is the most successful woman race car driver in history. Her victory in the 2008 Indy Japan 300 is the only win by a woman in an IndyCar Series race. Think and talk. Danica's job as a race car driver can be extremely dangerous. What do you think she can do to prepare herself for every race? I'm going to give you 30 seconds to turn and talk with a buddy. Go. Alrighty, we're going to wrap that conversation up in 3, 2, 1. Set a purpose. Danica's success in racing did not come easy. Listen to find out what obstacles she had to overcome to reach her dreams.